Go ahead, John. John, you're still eating.
Okay, sorry, my bad. Let me get some water. Welcome to this week's Intern Report. This week, we are covering Oracle for Startups. Oracle for Startups is a global initiative that creates a virtuous cycle of innovation by blending startup ingenuity with enterprise resources.
To tell us more, please welcome the Vice President of Oracle for Startups and Oracle for Research, Jason Williamson. Thanks for joining us today, Jason.
Happy to be here, guys. Good to see you both.
Yeah, good to see you too.
Good to see you too.
What is the Oracle for Startups program?
Oracle for Startups is an opportunity for Oracle to help people build things that have never been built before and do it on Oracle. So it's really a program for anyone who wants to invent things and build things and create things that are born in the cloud. We provide a whole bunch of opportunities to build software, build services, get access to mentorship, access to marketing, access to customers.
Could you tell us about some of the startups in the program and how Oracle for Startups has helped them?
The way that we help those folks are to get them started up on free cloud resources, curated training, and then really connective tissue to our engineers to help them figure out how to scale this to like a full-on enterprise. We have so many great stories. One of them comes to mind is AgriScout. So they're out of Israel, and they are addressing a really important area for us that we're seeing today, which is access to food and growing food. So they're using artificial intelligence to assist folks in growing food in places where it's really hard to do.
How does Oracle for Startups fit in with the wider goals of OCI becoming a major player in the cloud industry?
I believe you reap what you sow. So we have to sow seeds today and be willing to wait for the harvest later. It's why it's super important to invest in this earliest stage ideas.
What career advice would you like to give to interns joining the workforce?
Find something that you really like, that the organization you're with or want to be a part of really cares about, that maybe not a lot of people know about. Pursue knowledge that's going to make you a differentiator. The second thing is experience alone is not a teacher. So this is just like a little bit of like advice from Uncle Jason. Take time to reflect on what you've done and be okay with the owning the mistakes that you make and understanding what you got to do to not do that again.
Thank you so much, Jason. Now, John, how has your internship experience been with Oracle for Startups?
I've had such a great experience throughout my internship. The highlights have to be learning Oracle Cloud Infrastructure and getting OCI certified. Currently, I'm working with DigiFarm, one of the startups in the program. How has your internship been, Leslie?
My experience with this team has been amazing. I've learned about OCI and got my OCI Foundation certification. I've worked with transformer neural networks to perform sentiment analysis and leverage OCI services for my end-to-end machine learning project.
Wow, that's awesome, Leslie. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in and join us next week on our next weekly Intern Report. And for now, I'm going back to eating my lunch. Bye.